Den har fået en bøffel, der har stanget lidt over ryggen.
But if you want to take the picture as you like to have it, it's maybe also nice.
Ja. Er der næsten op på midten af ryggen. En rødt hul. Så er det 3. It is relaxing. It is really relaxing.
Kannst du mir das andere Objektiv geben? Hm? Very much building.
Oh, no, it looks kind of cute now.
They're not that ugly as the people say.
No, they're doing the cute thing. I go back and...
The little one's running back in the hole.
No, not that I know of. I'm about to close and I'll find out the village. So I'm coming all the way up Main Mac and let's go down Robbins Landing towards the airstrip. Alright, I'll find out.
Yeah, these are actually shiring each other, they're not fun to forget.
Nope, it doesn't work.
No.
So we have to enjoy it. It looks like the inner parts.
There's impala snorting in the background. Possibly the friend of the one that's being eaten. The big ears when he stands up.
That was the sign. Okay, you can do.
Yeah, it's not a meal for more than one lion.
No, really.
There's other things in here, bushbuck.
There
we go, he's having a look at us now.
It's got a big camera Just take those and I can get rid of them all.
What's the gentleman's name?
Rudy.
Rudy. You can see it really close with that camera.
Yes, you want to see through it?
Oh, I want to see.
Okay.
Don't get on.
Just for explanation, this button carefully pressing. If you make a picture, then it gets clean.
You see, if it finds something, it kicks him.
Do you actually take films and then you sell?
Yeah.
I need to bother then. I'm just kidding.
They've got one at home somewhere. They've got
With
one.
the mother. Their own mother.
That's
Is that
not
right?
normal. That's
No?
not normal. It's more normal that they mate with their mother, to be honest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you?
Do they? They
Yeah.
mate with their own...
Lion
Yeah.
as well.
They don't know...
Well,
the
normally, if young male.
Yeah.
My fault.
No, I didn't.
I've got to go there.
Can do that.
It's a beauty.
Just
Oh, that's
You
it.
have
Yeah, I'm just looking at
You see those big ones, little ones, big bulls around the edges of each group that's sitting down for protection. Females and youngsters more
Wow,
packed
here
in the
we-
middle.
Just stop.
Wie fotografiert er gegen die Sonne?
die Sonne ist im Rücken.
Nee, meine.
Ach so.
Okay, this in front of us is,
See
is
how
a
much bigger he
male.
is than the female we saw
male.
yesterday.
He's looking out here, straight at us. Look at him.
Oh,
Vivian, look at that.
oh, it's
The baby.
And they will have been moving around feeding the whole night. That's why the tracks are everywhere. They need to eat.
They're having great fun, aren't they, the little ones?
You there, Sean?
Remember to press the button. Helen?
Yeah.
You got the 1, 2, 3, 4, good.
I can't see that, but I can see the button I press. Seems to be alright.
I know what it is.
They will sometimes stab each other to death.
Cool. That's good.
Yeah,
What happens with the bodies if they seven?
but something eats them.
Something eats them.
There's lots of hyenas and lions
yeah.
and leopards around. Free food is free food. Yeah, but that's beautiful smell if you're a lion.
Yeah.
It's a lovely, lovely smell. She uses those canines at the front to get deep into the meat so she can rip big chunks off.
You know, take them. I mean, you know, take it from him.
So I'm going to have a look and see.
You guys, Rob, if you have me audio, just let me know. I'm on that little road south of Tasselberry that goes line pan.
David, you'll smell us before you see us.
You know, it just won't show up on here.
You took this, it's a lovely photograph.
Get a good view of that video. That's
Thank you, 1-1, myself with you from Gwydden, close look.
To reposition a bit here, I think, so you can all see.
I think close lock, because it's just a
around the